And to continue, let's approach the very important subject of the development of the foundations for this project. To begin with, let's return to the analysis program, and take a look at the design proposed for the footings. Now, and as we can see, the design for this component has been found to be correct, in relation to the defined safety coefficients. Meaning, that it has proven to be capable of dealing with the internal forces present in the connection. And which again, we can use as a baseline, for creating that which we need in advanced steel. Here we've then the first proposed design for this footing. And to continue, let's determine the proper dimensions for this component. Done. Let's close this window.